Welcome to our quarterly webcast. This short video will give you the chance to get acquainted with some of our experts' views. Roy, welcome.
Thank you.
Frontier markets, countries that are too small or less developed to be considered as actual emerging markets, how did they perform? And by the way, I'm very curious if we ever will run out of frontier markets, but maybe you can tell me something about that later.
Yeah, coming back to the performance over the second quarter, we just finished. It was a small, modest positive performance, about for 0.5%. But if you take into account the strong first quarter, we're now up 3%, which is actually stronger than emerging markets in general. It's only corporate that has done slightly better. Mm-hmm. Yields are still attractive, around 7% for US dollar bonds. And also important for us anyway, and for our investors, is that our fund also outperformed the benchmark.
Good to hear. Well, we are talking here about small and less accessible markets. So how do we position ourselves in these markets? Is that difficult to do?
Well, the over and also the underweight is actually done mainly on a relative value basis. So there is not a big general theme behind it. Currently, at this moment, we are underweight in countries like Dominican Republic, Ghana, Sri Lanka. That can change, obviously, but it's still very well to do to get active position, mm-hmm. which is also the way to outperform.
Okay. Well, you mentioned some new countries. Like I mentioned in the beginning, will we ever run out of frontier markets?
Well, I would say at the end, yes, we might, but that's still a long way off. If you look at current circumstances, mm-hmm. Actually the universe is still expanding. Mm-hmm. There are now talks that we have countries like Cameroon and Uganda to enter the market. So we believe there is still a lot of opportunities for us to invest in new countries where we can generate good returns.
Sounds very promising, Roy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And if you would like to hear more about our frontier market strategies or any other strategy, please visit us at nnip.com.